These are the new upgraded Bluetooth 5.0 wireless earbuds from AairHut the A3 deep bass dual microphone true wireless sports earbuds with EasyPad technology and portable charging case. It is a really beautiful device and it comes with all the accessories you need, like a micro USB cable and earpieces in different sizes. These earbuds are really beautiful, lightweight, but still powerful with a deep bass and Bluetooth 5.0 with all the latest features. The earbuds come with magnetic rechargeable points on the inner side, so make sure that you remove the stickers so you are able to charge them properly. Just put the earbuds back in the charging cradle and they will start to charge automatically. The blue light indicates that the earbuds are charging now within the cradle. In the back you see the micro USB port where you can charge the cradle itself. To connect the earbuds is very easy. Just go to the Bluetooth on your mobile phone, press scan, take out the earbuds and listen to the advice of the earbuds which are talking to you and telling you everything. As you can see, they are already connected for call and media audio automatically. It is absolutely amazing what crazy bass sounds these small earbuds have. To charge the whole cradle, just push the micro USB cable in the back of the cradle and you will see the flashing red light. To make sure not to mix left and the right channel, just make sure you check the letters on the back. The buttons on top come with every possible functionality except volume up and down. The buttons are hardware buttons which are better than sensor buttons to prevent accidental manipulation. The earbuds have a perfect fit. They stay in place even when running around and jumping up and down. If you have adjusted them to a perfect fit, they will be almost perfectly flat outside of your ears. There are really a lot of advantages with these powerful earbuds. They come with a dual microphone in stereo, which allows to remove one earpiece and use as a dedicated microphone in front of you in case of difficult situations. This is a sample of the audio which I've been recording.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So the sound quality is one of the best which I've ever heard for in-ear earbuds. The wireless connection was always stable. With the on-the-go charge you can reach up to 15 hours of playtime. They come with a 365-day warranty and a 3 months money-back warranty, so there's absolutely no reason not to buy them. I really like them and I'm sure you will love them too. You can use the link down in the description to order them right away from Amazon.